Well, welcome to another episode of Fragments. So, today I'm going to kind of walk through how to do a foam box insert. So, I get my foam from a local company here, um, MA Foam. So, what I'm doing is just kind of doing an outline of what I'm planning on putting in here, which is the Thunderstrike stuff. So, getting a reasonable depth, kind of play this by ear. I don't really have a tool that can just do this. So, I basically just kind of map it out and get to a good area of depth. I've done this, twice already, so I kind of have a feel for it. But, if you're going to spend the money on the foam, definitely plan it out. Definitely take your time, because one mess up and that foam's just it's not useful. So um I as you'll see, the wire that's connected to this thing just is thin, and you pull too taut, then it'll snap and then you got to replace it. So just take your time. Sorry about the lighting here. I guess whenever I was filming, it auto adjusted, so now it looks like I'm cutting foam in a rave. So what you can't see is I'm just kind of, you know, finishing up the edges, making sure everything's kind of symmetrical. I do have a template. Um, so just trying to get the reasonable depth and, the outline down, but definitely take your time. I kind of sped this up because it takes about an hour just to do this is the base part, where it sits in at, and the other piece probably takes about another, I don't know, 2 or 3 hours now. Now that I have templates made, and I just kind of tear down. The upper part's pretty big, as you can see in one of my other videos. I think it's a short or a video. If you like what you see and you're interested in knowing more, please hit that like and subscribe button. It would really help me. I think we've gotten pretty good. We've gotten up to, I think, about 327 subscribers, which is great. Again, messed up with this wire, but gotta keep moving. So once I get this fixed, I think the biggest thing is just remember to take your time, have a template, and once you're all done, hit it with, like, I mean, you can even do it by hand with a sanding block, like 200 or 180 or something like that. It'll smooth that foam out depending on the foam. But here I'm just finishing that part up, and then we should be good to go. So here I'm just putting it down so I can, get the strike put in there, make sure everything fits so I can finish assembly, and making it look all pretty. So there's 001, and then one of the pods, which I'll probably end up moving because I still am working on the other canopies. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. If you like this kind of content, please let me know in the comments. I don't usually script anything. I just kind of play it by ear. I figured you guys might like seeing something like this. If so, let me know. If not, let me know. And then that way I can kind of work on the format. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the rest of your day.